So here's how to fix Netflix black screen on Windows 11. So first, make sure you have Netflix installed. And if you don't, you can simply click on the Windows Start icon and then open Microsoft Store. Now you'll simply search for Netflix and make sure to install the first app in here. Click on Get to download it. Now you can simply press on Open to open the Netflix app like this. To fix the black screen, you'll simply need to right click on the Windows icon and then go to Installed Apps. And now search for Netflix. And then click on the three dots on the right, Advanced Options. And now scroll all the way down till you see Repair button. Click on it and wait for it to repair the app. And then you can simply click on Reset and Reset. And that should fix the issue. Now you'll simply need to launch the Netflix app again, and it should work properly without the black screen. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.